Hello. Do it again. Hello. Today, why do I always start the video off like that? Today. Anyways, today, I'm gonna be, no, okay, yes. Yes. Today, I'm going to be trying on the Falscara. It's very interesting to me. This packaging, oh my god. This is what it is. It's not your regular eyelash strip. You're actually putting them on under the lashes, and so they look like eyelash extensions, which I used to get before COVID hit all the time. Like, I would refill them religiously, and it was amazing because I didn't have to put on lashes and just kind of one less thing that I had to do in the morning. I've been putting on false lashes and they never look natural, or like they never look exactly like the eyelash extensions, if you know what I'm talking about, because you put them on top and sometimes they can look not good because, you know, sometimes you can just have a bad lash day when you put them on not so great and it looks like one eye is lazy and the other one is just the size of Africa and the other one's the size of the Bermuda Triangle. Like, it's not, you know, like, it just doesn't, lions, no, what's the saying, butterflies and dandelions, I don't know, thought I'd, you know, give this a go. It's really interesting. It says no clumps, no smudges, no strips, no damage, no mistakes. Mascara, when mascara isn't just enough. You'll love the look of lash extensions. So yeah, this is like getting like lash extensions at home. I don't think you're supposed to leave it on for the week. I'm a little confused because I don't think you can just keep it on. Yeah, it's all day wear, so you just wear it every day. You don't, like, you reapply it every day, but like you get that natural eyelash extension look, which is what I really want to do. So it comes with the lashes and it comes with the bond and the sealer. I got the starter kit and some Kiss tweezers, which I thought were really freaking cute, but I already have mine from Amazon. I feel like these ones are, you know, a little bit more dangerous, also disgusting. I have glue on it. So anyways, these ones look more safe, so I might do that because this one you can actually hurt your eye. I have before. Let's do it on camera. So I did my makeup. I'm already oily. Just dab the grease off of my face. Sorry. So I'm opening this Bad Baby app. It's by Kiss, by the way.
Kiss, if you're watching this, sponsor me.
Even though I have like 5 subscribers. Oh my god. So this costed me $50 Canadian altogether with shipping, which is not bad, but like I was expecting like a crappy plastic one, but it's actually like, this is nice, very good quality. I love it. What you're supposed to do first, I did not read the instructions because that's just who I am. You're supposed to start from the outer corners to in. I'm gonna do one eye and see how it goes. Yeah, okay. So first you're supposed to, oh shit. Okay, so you have your Falscaras. They actually have different, where'd it go? Oh, it fell. It fell, I'm so stupid. Anyways, you have your Falscaras right here, like that. I got the KFC KO one, the KFC one. Okay, so let's get into it. You're just supposed to place it underneath the lash line. Like, you don't place it on top like regular lashes. You place them on the bottom, which is really interesting. I've never done that before. Well, I've tried with Ardell lashes. It did not work out into my favor. It was not good for me. Got glue in my eye. Anyways, so, okay, you use the bond first, which is this, like it's labeled, obviously, bond and then sealer. So you put the bond onto your lashes first. So yeah, infused with biotin, bond is non-damaging and primes the natural lashes to prep for them for wisps. Brush a light coat, ladies. So I don't think you're supposed to have mascara on, but it doesn't say, so I'm just gonna, you know. Okay, so I'm just literally, it says put a light coat on. For best results, I guess don't wear mascara. But I already have some on. Anyways. Right? And then I guess you just go at it. Our first lash going on. Let's see how this goes. Oh my god, I'm scared. Oh wow. That stuck on quite well. I'm impressed. Oh, okay. This is going a lot faster than I thought it would. It sticks on really well, you guys. This is so fun. Look! How cute! Wow. They look really cute. I really love it. It's very cute, fun and fresh. And if you, I have one more left, like for the inner corner that I haven't put on. If you're feeling spunky and spontaneous, I would just put it at the end, like double it up. But I'm not feeling that way today, but that would be a good thing. So I'm gonna finish the other eye off camera and then we'll see the final result. I'll be back. So I have both of them on, like very easy, and it's very nice and natural. I love it. I think it's so cute. The second eye was very easy. Honestly, you don't need to wear mascara before putting this on because this bond is black and it's very sticky. Like it's really sticky, like even when you blink. So it's really sticky. And it acts as a mascara that holds your lashes up. So you don't need to wear mascara before putting this on. So that's fine. You're supposed to put the sealer on after. You just kind of brush them through so that your eyes aren't sticky like the tacky isn't. The bond isn't still tacky because it's very sticky. Yeah, you just apply a thin layer and you're good. And that's it. It literally took me 5 minutes. A lot less time than putting on a strip lash, I'll tell you that. But they look so freaking cute. Like, look at that. Even when I do close my eyes, like, my lids don't crunch up. Usually, like, with mascara, like with false strip lashes, my freaking eye will like crinkle up and it's like uncomfortable. This is not uncomfortable at all. I'm so surprised because they're under my lash line. Like it's literally underneath my lash line. So I thought it's gotta be uncomfortable. Like there's gotta be something that's not fun, but it's very comfortable. It's freaking good. I love it. This might be my new favorite lash situation from now on. Who needs lash extensions when you have this? And it's so cheap. You can buy these separately too. Like all these things you can buy separately. So this might be a new thing for me. I like it. It's so much fun. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna put some mascara on the bottom of my eye and I'm gonna dress my eye up a little bit more and I'll be back. I'm gonna curl the lashes. Now, I wouldn't suggest to go in with mascara. I feel like I don't know. Do it at your own risk. Oh. Oh my god, I was like for sure thought that some of them would come off because there's mascara on this. So this curled nicely. I wouldn't do like an extreme curl because that's just not needed. Astonished that I actually really like this because I don't like a lot of things. Even people, like I don't like a lot of people. So for me to like this, it's like monumental. Yeah, I really do recommend getting this. Honestly, I don't recommend getting a lot of things, but I do recommend getting this. It's very cute. I'm not paid or anything. I literally have no sponsorships or anything or affiliate codes, like anything. I have nothing. So take my word for it. And I'm pretty critical about things, even myself. Thank you for watching for those who did till the end of the video. I appreciate you guys so much. You make the world go around. I don't know what I meant by that, but thank you. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like. anything else. Forget everything that you've put on. Forget everything that you have going on in your life. Put it off and subscribe to my channel and watch all of my videos again and again and again. Okay? So I can get monetized. I'm joking. Don't do that. You don't have to do that. But if you want to. Okay. Bye!